Hello, namaste. Welcome to Lata Smart Thoughts. In my last video, I was speaking about the teacher challenges and not only teachers, educators, coaches, and motivational speakers who really want to engage the audience throughout. And especially if it is a classroom setup, virtual engagement is really a tough job these days. So we were talking how to make the classes more interactive. In continuation to that, today I'll be showing you a very important and interesting feature about Mentimeter, how we can make online classes more effective and interactive by making some interactive presentations. So let us start with the setup of Mentimeter in online class setting. Mentimeter is an application which you can download, and you can just type www.mentimeter.com in your address bar, and then you can download it. Once you just get it, you can log in if you have already an account, or you can just sign up with a new account. You can use Google or Facebook, any of your IDs to log in into the mentimeter.com, and you can sign up. Then you have a new presentation. If you look into the screen, the down arrow, a new presentation is seen. And so we will start with the new presentation. Then you can select your subject or the theme. Now this is how the display is there on the screen. So you can choose the type of question what you are going to use for that day. So first the teacher finishes his or her teaching, the concept is delivered, and they want to assess or maybe the reinforcement exactly. When you want to recapitulate at the end of the session, we can use this, or during the revision sessions. This would be a very effective tool for us with less noise and more interaction in the class. So now we can go for a choose a slide type, and to the right side you can see different question types are there: multiple choice, word cloud, open-ended, scales, ranking, question answers, etc. So based on the topic, you can select the question which you would like to pose for that moment. Then you can add for the second question, you can add for the second slide. Then you will have the content. So you will open the content and you can input your content into the slide. The content you can take a ready-made one, or you can customize it. That is, you can use your presentations or videos, or maybe some images which you have downloaded or you have made on your own. So all that can be included in your content, and you can customize. All the additional functionalities can be added. Then you will be finishing your question format. Whichever format question you would like, you can do that. Then you will go for select answer. When you select answer, you have to give the options also. For example, my question would be, what are the plants living in water called? What are the plants living in water called? So I would select 3 answers for that. And so I will type xerophytes, mesophytes, and hydrophytes. So I will give a heading and I will type the answers in the answer column. Then we can even have additional features like giving a reward to the children, or who will win at a points, so that should be more interesting to the children. So your question, and you will give the 3 options: option 1, option 2, option 3. So we have selected a slide, we made a question, and we have framed the answers which are relevant to the question. And then we add another option. We can just give A, B, C to that, so that children will select that and post to us or poll us back 1, 2, 3, or whatever naming you would like to give to your options. You can label the options. Then you can drag and drop this question into your chat box. Here we can see the layout setting also, and the reciprocation can be tabulated in different forms. You can choose your choice which is ideally good for that sort of question, and you can even select that. Then we have this my first presentation. That first presentation you will select, you share via link. So that a link is created for your presentation. This link you are going to copy into your chat box and you will share it through the chat box. When you share it through the chat box, every child can click it and they will answer the question. Once they answer the question, immediately it is seen on the screen. So like a poll question. So maybe all the plants are green in color, yes or no, maybe a question for class 1, yes or no. Immediately children will give yes or no and that poll can be seen on the screen. That would be something more interesting where every child is engaged, involved, and child feels that his answer is considered. That is actually a basic drive or motivation where a child looks for acknowledgement. So that is easily addressed through these presentations in online classes, especially where every child can be reached out. So this is a small attempt for me to make the teachers understand how interactive the classes can be with little efforts. Please do try.